Ready when you are.
Okay. What I want to discuss is recognition in broad terms, and I might wander off a bit and things like that. But first of all, I want to describe the process that I have tried thus far and the resistance that I have met with from people that I perceived would be more than willing to help us. Because there's 2 points here. The one is nobody can say that recognition is not due. And by recognition I mean in the form of decorations for very brave deeds. And the second point is the absolute rejection that immediately when you broach this topic we get from our leaders, the ones that are still alive, the people that retired as very senior officers or generals. The immediate reaction is a knee-jerk to say it is not possible with the new dispensation. The new dispensation is always held right in front, saying you're not going to succeed. Other excuses were also brought up, like, oh, the medals have been discontinued. Now I went and I did my homework. First of all, there's still 2 decorations in circulation. Honours Crux Silver. They have not been discontinued. There are higher decorations than that, that's still in service. There are lower ones than that, like a simple military merit medal, or bar for those that already have one. Now I'm talking about chaps who were not only exceptionally brave, but who have not even received the basics, being the prepatria and cunenic clasp. It's now expected of the individuals to go and apply for their medals that are due to them. And they're now sitting in a process where the prepatrias have been issued. There's only so many left. They're not going to mint anymore. Well, that's what some of the people say. But I mean, doesn't it make sense that the system that which you stood for and fought for and died for is the responsible party, or then the veteran organization that you belong to is the responsible party, and the onus should not be on the member to apply for his recognition, be it a prepatria. Let's take Ebu for example. Each and every one that got sent into Ebu in that death acre of the ambush, in my mind, should automatically classify or qualify for MMM. These guys were led like lambs to the slaughter. Why didn't, it's a line function, so why didn't the line officers in charge as you go up the pecking order see to this? Why didn't the commanding officer on the ground, if he could have written declarations or citations for decorations, he's now dead, for certain individuals, why couldn't he have not done it for all? Why was it left up to be handled at unit level? At unit level, it was met with resistance from a commanding officer that was in Savannah as well, but he was more interested in rugby. So the citations written never made it further than a typist, but they're on record. We have copies of that, handwritten notes. Internal politics, typical Boer mentality. If I can't get it, I'm not going to issue it to anybody else. And I get back to the resistance met from the leadership is, I ask them one question. I just say, if it was your decorations, would you have the same attitude? Because I've been told, oh, stop this nonsense. Let's concentrate on the history. Let's compile the history, but not us. You guys write your history. That should be enough for you. The camaraderie should be enough for you. But they're getting their pensions. They wear their decorations to every veteran function. How can they expect very brave men to go without? Let me get to another point. Certain guys, and I'm still zooming in on Ebo, certain guys did get decorated for valor at Ebo. I'm not saying they didn't deserve it. I'm not going to climb into the act of valor as an act of valor. But certain guys did get it for other people's deeds. And now you take individuals like John Ball, like Bob Creel. They did 10 times more, because it's all on record what this guy got his decoration for. You can read it up in any book. And then you just compare it with what's available, or what John Ball and Bob Creel did, what Hannes Swanepoel did to try and save his mate Johan de Tooy, for that matter what we did. And it's vastly superior actions than those that got issued. Now how dare they say to us, stand back and just accept the fact. Take another blow on the chin. It's okay. Be satisfied with the camaraderie, and not for once acknowledge that it's a gross injustice, because that's what it is. It's a gross injustice. Why have not one come back to me? Because I asked for this, I pleaded for this. I said, what is the channels I should use? They should know. They've written citations before. I'm quite willing to compile the citations. They must just say to me, these are the points and the parameters that have to be met. Just cover all of them. Then submit it to us. One of us will be willing to put our signature on the paper. If it then goes to the new dispensation and it gets turned down, I will understand, and we will understand, that it's impossible. But it's not even been tried. It's immediately rejected, and that is where the disgruntlement really lies and really kicks in. I'll cover a bit more about the Ebo. I just want to calm down a bit now. How long